Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote access platforms, which is GetScreen and AnyDesk. So to get started with a quick analysis about these two platforms, you have to decide which of these remote access platforms would be a better option for you. So GetScreen is a super simple browser-based remote access tool that's great for quick support tasks in 2025. It requires no installation. Just share a link and you are connected. It's perfect for small teams or freelancers who need occasional remote help section. But it's pretty basic, missing features like file transfer, remote printing, or a detailed section control that more advanced users might expect. On the other hand, AnyDesk offers a more complete remote desktop experience. It's fast, secure, and full-featured like file sharing, remote reboot, section recording, and mobile access. It works well on both individuals and large IT teams, though it can be more complex to set up compared to GetScreen. And here's a better conclusion about these two platforms. So choose GetScreen if you want fast, easy remote access without the extras. And on the other hand, pick AnyDesk if you need more control featured and flexibility for regular or business grade use only. And that's it.